Jaw power. Hippos can open their mouths up to 150 degrees, revealing canine teeth as long as 20 inches. Nighttime grazers. Despite their size, hippos consume about 80 pounds of grass each night, traveling up to 5 miles. Skin secretion. Hippos secrete a natural sunscreen, often called blood sweat, that is red and moisturizing. Underwater hearing. Hippos have a unique adaptation that allows them to close their ears and nostrils underwater. Speed surprises. On land, hippos can run at speeds of 30 kilometers per hour, outpacing a human sprinter. Water births. Female hippos give birth in water to protect their newborns from predators on land. Social hierarchy. Hippos live in large groups called pods, which can contain up to 100 individuals. Territorial in water. They are highly territorial in water, with males vigorously defending their stretch of river. Density control. Hippos can sink and work on the riverbed thanks to their high body density. Lifespan. Hippos typically live between 40 to 50 years in the wild. Vocal communicators. Hippos are vocal animals, using grunts, wheezes, and deep bellows to communicate. Memory masters. They have excellent memory, remembering routes and individuals for years. Teeth regrowth. Unlike most mammals, a hippo's teeth continue to grow throughout its lifetime. Night vision. Hippos have good night vision, which aids them in their nocturnal activities. Protective mothers. Mother hippos are fiercely protective, often seen guiding their young from potential threats. Freshwater needs. They require freshwater bodies large enough to submerge themselves to regulate their body temp. Sensitive skin. Despite its thickness, hippo skin is sensitive, requiring constant moisture to prevent cracking. Predator defense. Few animals dare to challenge an adult hippo, not even large predators like lions. Mud bathing. Mud baths help hippos cool off and protect their skin from sunburn and insect bites. Agile swimmers. Despite their bulk, hippos are agile in water, using their feet to push off the ground. Grass diet. They are strict herbivores, consuming different types of grass, avoiding meat. Jaw strength. A hippo's bite force is about 1,800 psi, ranking among the strongest of any land animal. Solitary feeders. Though they live in groups, hippos typically graze alone at night. Sensitive to sun. Hippos are so sensitive to the sun that their skin secretes a natural sunscreen. Breathing control. While sleeping underwater, hippos rise and breathe without waking. Stamina in water. They can hold their breath for up to 5 minutes while submerged. Calving season. Most hippo births occur during the wet season when water and food are abundant. Body adaptations. Their eyes, ears, and nostrils are positioned on top of the head, ideal for aquatic life. Heat regulation. Lack of sweat glands forces hippos to spend daytime hours in water to cool down. Conflict resolution. When contesting territory, male hippos use their massive mouths to display dominance. Matriarchal oversight. Groups are often led by dominant females, organizing activities around resources. Habitat influence. Hippos significantly shape their environment, often creating channels in waterways. Fecal communication. They spin tails while defecating to spread their scent, marking territory. High fatality. Hippos are considered one of the most dangerous animals in Africa, causing many human fatalities. Massive weight. Adult hippos can weigh between 2,500 to 3,200 kilograms, making them one of the heaviest land mammals. Sharp sensory. They have highly developed senses, especially hearing and smell, for nighttime use. Group dynamics. Pod hierarchy is complex, involving both age and size in dominance displays. Reproductive rights. Only dominant males typically mate, maintaining genetic strength within the pod. Endurance. Capable of traveling long distances over land at night to find sufficient food sources. Immense size. Calves weigh about 50 kilograms at birth and grow rapidly, thanks to their mother's rich milk. Constant growth. Their teeth, especially their canines and incisors, never stop growing. Submerged cooling. Staying submerged during hot days helps hippos conserve energy and hydrate their skin. Extensive home range. Their territorial waters can extend up to half a kilometer along a river. Threat display. A hippo's yawn is actually a threat gesture, showing off its formidable teeth. Efficient digestion. They have multi-chambered stomachs, but are not true ruminants. Mud roll. Rolling in mud not only cools them down, but also helps remove parasites. Disease resistance. Hippos are resistant to many diseases that often afflict purely terrestrial animals. Water dependency. They spend up to 16 hours a day in water, which is vital for their survival. Isolation preference. Adults often exhibit solitary behaviors when not in a pod, especially bulls. Evolutionary ancestors. Hippos are closely related to whales, sharing a common semi-aquatic ancestor millions of years ago.